I'm Virginia, and I'm taking over from Sally to demonstrate the use of the library feature in Edmodo. However, first things first, after I created the login, I got this message that says, "Welcome to Edmodo. Let's set up your classroom. Start by creating a group." So I created the group LS560, and I'm going to click on it, and it says there are 14 members in it. And as you can see, I populated my classroom with the members of our class. I even listed John Burgess as a student because I am sure that he is a lifelong learner just as the rest of us are. So now I'm going to click on Home and then turn to the library feature that's part of Edmodo. This feature will be the focus of the remainder of the demonstration. I want to point out that in the student screen there is no library. What replaces it is the backpack. In the teacher screen, the library can be accessed by clicking on the book icon just to the left of the search box. As you can see, a white box shows up with a blue button right smack dab in the middle of it that says Add to the Library. And then I'm given two choices. I can upload files or I can upload a link. I'm going to start with uploading files. When I click on the appropriate button, I'm given a choice of files. I simply go to the one I want, I highlight it, then I click the Open button. The little blue bar tells me that the file is successfully uploading. Now that the upload is complete, I click the Add button, and there is a small portion of my uploaded picture in the Library Items box. However, I want to place this picture in my picture folder. So I check the box in the blue and I move over to the plus folder icon. I click on it and then I click on the pictures and then I apply it. Now, to double check that it made it into the picture folder, I move over to the left. I click on the folders. And I have two choices, favorites or pictures. I'm going to click on the pictures, and there are now two pictures in my picture folder. One of my mom at 99 and the other one my kids. Aren't they handsome? So I click on the X at the upper right corner of the expanded picture of my kids to close it out. I've assured myself that there are indeed two pictures in the picture folder. To keep things neat and tidy, I have clicked on the library items in the drop-down box at the left. I highlight the picture, I check the box, and I'm going to put the picture in the trash. And so I confirm that yes, I do want to delete the picture. Now I want to show you how to add links to the library. I've already added some family-related links, but for the final link I want to add a real pretty picture of the boat that Rebecca is going to be working on this summer. I've already clicked on the book icon for the library items. Because there's stuff in the library, I click on the Add to Library button. I have a choice of adding files or a link to the library. So I click on the word link, and I get a form in which to add the URL. So I'm going to highlight the space for the URL. Now I go to the site with the real pretty picture of the flagship Niagara. I copy the URL and I paste the URL into the box that I highlighted earlier. For the title of the web page, all I have to do is click on it and there it goes. So now I click Add, and there's a spot where the thumbnail that has the picture of the flagship Niagara will show up. So I've covered library items, I've covered folders. Now I want to talk about how you can attach things to posts. Just as there is a wall on Facebook, there's a central communication feature on Edmodo. It's called a note. To send a note, you simply click on the box that says type your note here, and you get your typing done. You have a choice of sending this to a specific group, a student, or teacher. I'm going to send it to my class. I have a further choice of selecting something from the library or a link or document to attach to the note. I'm going to attach the directions for this assignment. So I highlight assignment 4, click on it, move down to click on open, and the note is ready to send. And there's the post with the attached PDF of assignment 4. To show you that this assignment indeed shows up in the library, I'm going to go to the book icon. I'm going to click on Attach to Posts, and there is assignment 4. This demo is not going to address the 4th item in the library, the Google Drive. However, I hope that this presentation has spiked your interest enough that you will explore not only Google Drive, but the other friendly features within Edmodo. Edmodo seems like a really cool tool that's easy to use within a school environment for fostering communication within classrooms, among classrooms, and among teachers. Thank you from Sally and Virginia.